there, I'm Lina. Today we'll trade on the Quotex platform, and before beginning I recommend you my private signals where the profit of transactions is more than 8%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. Let's start our trade with a balance of $15. Let's open a trade to reduce the price here. We see that there is a large volume for the overbought state until the price reached us, after which, as we see, we have a sideways movement of a flat, and the moving averages of the indicator and parabolic indicators have a sideways movement. As we see now, there is a potential to a downtrend. We see how the channel begins to follow, so now we can successfully close our deal, as now on the market traders are in an uncertain state. And good, close the deal. So let's open a trade to increase the price, as now we see that we have a support and resistance level formation from where the price comes and repels after it has reached an overbought state. We see there is a downward trend direction, but now based on the sequence of candle patterns and their movement in the direction of the trend, we can successfully close our trade on the green candle. So let's wait for the successful closing of our trade. And let's open our trade on a downtrend. Now we see that we have formed support and resistance levels. A downtrend dominates from where the price starts from. Therefore, we see that the moving averages have a sideways movement like a parabolic, so we can expect that the price will change now. So we expect a red candle and successfully close our deal. And we successfully close the deal and continue trading. Let's open our trade to reduce the price, as we see that we clearly have the direction of movement of our downtrend and uptrend from the support or resistance level from where the price is repelled. Now I open the trade for a decline, as we see that we had formed on an underbought condition where we have a reversal of the tombstone dojo, so now our candle will not have a large body. Great, we successfully close our trade and continue trading. Let's open the downtrend and moving average indicator has formed here, and also parabolic movement, so we can confidently close our deal according to the trend, seeing the price was in an overbought state, and now it will be possible to successfully close our deal. So let's wait for the end of the deal. And we successfully close our trade. And continue trading. So here we can open our trade on an uptrend, as we now see that the price price has reached an underward state, so now we can expect an uptrend based on these candle patterns and their sequence. We currently have an uptrend potential, so now we can close our trade on the green candle. So let's wait for our trade to close. And we successfully close our trade again. Continue. Here we can open a deal to reduce the price, as we see that the price was already in an underward state, but there has not been any correction so far. A large volume on this currency pair, therefore based on the candlestick shadows from the overward state, and it tells us about the sale. So now the price having the formation of support and resistance level and will gradually decrease in value. So now we can successfully close our deal, as there are any impulsive candles, so wait. And we successfully closed the deal. Here we will open a trade for a decline, as now we see that there is a potential for an uptrend, but based on how we have formed the support and resistance levels, as well as the literal movement of our moving averages and the movement of our candle patterns. Now we are waiting for the trade to close at red candle, so let's wait for our trade to close. Perfect, we successfully closed the deal and continue trading. Here we will open our deal on the trend. So now at the end of the time frame, we can expect the red candle to continue moving. So now we can successfully close our deal following the trend, and let's wait for the completion of our deal. And we successfully close our deal. Let's continue. So let's open here our double trades on a downtrend. Although we see an upward trend, but we will be able to close the deal on the red candle at the end of this time frame, and the continuation of the red candle is now we have the potential to close this deal based on the support and resistance formed on this chart, so we can successfully close our deal. And we successfully close our trades. Let's open 3 trades per downtrend. As we see that we have a dominant downtrend movement, so now we can successfully close our trade. And we also see sequence of candles, candle patterns that have us path to growth, but movement after such an increase has a continuation of the red candle. So now we can successfully close our deal at the end of this time frame, so we can close our deal successfully. and we successfully close our deals. On this, I think we can successfully complete the trade. And in conclusion, I want to advise you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.